Students, welcome to our geography class once again. In the last video, we had already started our third chapter of geography, comparing a map and a globe and field visit. We discussed the points that we'll cover in the entire chapter, that were meaning of map and the globe, meaning of two-dimensional objects, meaning of three-dimensional objects, and field visit. In the previous videos, we have learned the meaning of two-dimensional objects and three-dimensional objects. Today, in this video, we'll understand the meaning of field visit, also known as educational trip and geography museum. Now let's get started the today's video. Field visit or educational trip. Students, I'm sure all of you must have gone for a picnic with your families, with your friends, right? When you go for a picnic, obviously you go there to enjoy ourselves, to make us happy, to get pleasure. Similarly, field visit is kind of a picnic that we go from the school along with the teachers, with all your classmates. But we go over here for the purpose of education, to get something information about our topic from our textbooks is called as field visit, also called as educational trips. It is kind of picnic, but over here you go for the purpose of getting information about the topics related in your textbooks. For example, you can go to a museum, you can go to a science corner, etc. From places from which we can get information from is called as field visit. Normally it goes from the school. Over here, you don't go with your families, rather you go with your teachers, your classmates from the school. So, a field visit is a method of studying geography, also any other subjects. You can say science, you can say history, okay? So, is a method of studying the subjects like geography, history or science. Field visit help us to understand the geographical and social conditions of a place. Now, when you go to a particular place, it helps us to understand the geographical condition, where it is located, how it is located, and who are the people who are staying around on that place. So, it also provides opportunity to interact with the local people and understand their problems. Local people means the people who stay on the place where we are going. For example, if I am going on a hill station, that is the people who stay over there are called as the local people of that place. So, if I go to a particular place, I understand the problems of the local people. This is called as a field visit. Okay, you go to a place from which we get information from is called as a field visit. Now, these students have gone to a place and this is a sir, they have taken over there. So, this is something called as field visit. Places that can be used as field visit could be a post office, bus stations, it could be a mall, it could be a seashore, it could be an industry. So, that the places where we can go for a field visit means the places we can get information from, knowledge from, which is useful for our education is called as a field visit. So, the places we can go are post office, bus stations, malls, seacoast or seashore and various industries. Now, things to be carried on a field trip are pen. Obviously, pen is very important when you go for a field purpose to carry down or note down whatever point you see over there. Then is books. You require books obviously to write down whatever you see or you observe on that particular place. Third is camera, obviously to take pictures. And next is the compass. This helps us to get directions, north, east, south, west. Okay, so these are the things we should be carrying on our field trip to get information from. Obviously, you need to carry your water bottles, your tiffin, that is a part. But to go on a field visit, the most important things are a pen, books, camera to take pictures of the places we are going for, and then you have the compass which shows the direction where we want to go. Next is the most important part is you're going to study the geographical museum. Okay, the name of the geographical museum is Eartha, largest geographical globe in the world. Okay, it is located in the place of USA, United States of America. This is like this is the photos of that particular place, museum. You can see over here, they have shown exactly how the earth looks like. It also shows us the way it rotates and revolves around the sun. So this is one of the largest geographical museum in the world, which is named as Artha. So let's summarize what we have learned. In this today's video, we have learned the meaning of field visit and its educational trip. A trip or a picnic we go onto a places from which we get information from is called as a field visit. And we have learned about geographical museum, that is Artha. Students, the lesson is over along with this particular video. I will be uploading you notes in a PDF file format, and I request all of you to please watch the video and solve the assignment. Thank you.